The Google Pixel 10 is getting a lot of attention, though not all of it is positive. A new leak suggests the regular Pixel 10 might skip a few of the upgrades people were hoping for. While there are still improvements on the way, some of the best new features may be limited to the Pro model, which could leave the base version feeling a little underwhelming. Starting with performance, one of the main concerns is about heat management. The Pixel 9 didn't have a vapor chamber cooling system, which helps keep the phone cool when you're playing games or using heavy apps. Sadly, it looks like the Pixel 10 might not have one either. This means the phone could heat up faster during demanding tasks, which might slow things down over time. For gamers or people who use their phones for work and entertainment, this could be disappointing. Next is connectivity. The Pixel 9 supported Wi-Fi 7, the latest and fastest Wi-Fi standard. Surprisingly, leaks say the Pixel 10 might only come with Wi-Fi 6E, which is a bit outdated now. Many new phones already support Wi-Fi 7, so this feels like a step backward. For people who care about fast, future-ready connections at home or in public, this could be a letdown. Then we have the cameras, usually a strong point for Pixel phones. The Pixel 10 is rumored to feature a triple camera setup, which would be a first for the regular model. At first, that sounds exciting, but to fit in a third lens, Google may have to shrink the size of the main and ultra-wide sensors. Smaller sensors usually mean lower photo quality, especially in low light. So while you'll have more camera options, the overall image quality might not be as good as before. On top of that, some of the best camera features might be reserved for the Pro version. Earlier leaks hinted that Google was planning better video stabilization for all Pixel 10 phones. But now, it seems that only the Pro model will get the smoothest video recording, which is a disappointment for anyone considering the regular Pixel 10. Another feature people were looking forward to is the new Ultra Race Zoom, which would improve on the current Super Race zoom that's been around since the Pixel 3. While the Pro version might get this new zoom technology, the base Pixel 10 might not. In terms of design, the Pixel 10 is expected to have matte sides with a glossy back. It's a small change, but it could make the phone feel more modern and stylish compared to older versions. The overall shape and size probably won't change much. So what does all of this mean for people thinking about buying the Pixel 10? Well, if these leaks are accurate, the regular Pixel 10 could end up feeling like a small step forward instead of a big leap. Some people might be fine without Wi-Fi 7 or Ultra Race Zoom, but others, especially those who care about photography or gaming, might find these missing features frustrating. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 Pro seems to be getting all the premium upgrades, from better cooling and advanced zoom to improved sensors and exclusive software features. That growing gap between the standard and Pro models might push more buyers to spend extra on the Pro or wait for the more affordable Pixel 10a, which could arrive next year. The Pixel 10 lineup is expected to launch in late August, though Google hasn't shared official pricing yet. Many fans were hoping for a more powerful, feature-packed base model, but these leaks suggest the most exciting upgrades might be saved for the Pro version. If you care about having the latest features, the Pro might be worth the extra cost. Otherwise, the regular Pixel 10 could still be a good phone, just without the big upgrades some people expected. As always, these are early reports and things might change before the official launch, but for now, it looks like Google is drawing a clear line between the regular Pixel 10 and its Pro sibling.